Nafplio is a coastal town in the northeastern Peloponnese, widely regarded as one of Greece's most graceful and atmospheric destinations. Set along the Argolic Gulf, Nafplio combines sea views, layered history, and neoclassical charm in a compact, walkable setting. Once the first capital of the modern Greek state in the 19th century, Nafplio carries both national significance and an intimate, almost romantic ambiance. The town's skyline is defined by fortifications that reflect centuries of Venetian, Ottoman, and Greek influence. High above the old town rises the Palamidi Fortress, an imposing stronghold reached by a long stone staircase that rewards climbers with panoramic views of red rooftops and blue water. In the harbor stands the small island fortress of Bortzi, floating like a sentinel between town and horizon. These structures give Nafplio a theatrical sense of enclosure, as if the town were cradled within its own history. Below the fortresses, Nafplio's old town unfolds in narrow streets, paved with stone and shaded by bougainvillea. Neoclassical mansions, Ottoman fountains, and Venetian balconies coexist comfortably, creating a layered architectural texture. Syntagma Square, the town's central plaza, gathers cafes, museums, and historic buildings into a lively yet relaxed social heart. The rhythm of daily life here is unhurried. Morning coffee in shaded squares, evening walks along the waterfront promenade. The sea is integral to Nafplio's identity. The waterfront curves gently around the old town, offering views of mountains across the Gulf and boats gliding in and out of the harbor. Nearby beaches and coves provide easy access to swimming, blending urban life with coastal leisure in a seamless way. Nafplio also serves as a gateway to major archaeological sites, such as Mycenae and Epidaurus, linking it to Greece's ancient past as well as its modern beginnings. Yet the town's appeal lies less in grand monuments than in atmosphere. It feels balanced and human in scale, historic without being heavy, lively without being chaotic. What defines Nafplio most is harmony between fortification and openness, memory and present life, stone and sea,